This is Gigi's channel, where we share our expertise.
Hi there, this video is about your PC's maintenance. I've got a checklist over here, what you do daily, once in a week and monthly. Daily, you got to check your antivirus for updates. Okay, for that you could have a free antivirus like AVG, Avast or Avira, or a paid one like what I have over here is called K7. How do you do that? Just go and click on the update option over here and you run your update. I'm not gonna do it now because I've already done it 2 hours back. Well, next you have to shut down the computer after use. That means you go to the options where you get power and shut down. It's not sleep or simply closing off the lid, which makes the system go into hibernate. Shutting down your PC daily after use itself sees to it that your computer is in good shape. Once in a week, you got to scan your antivirus software. That means over here I have K7, I go to click on scan and then I do a complete scan, or a rootkit scan would also be good enough. Also, once in a week you got to delete your temporary files. How do you do that? Go to the options for run, search for run and type in %temp percentage and say OK. You get a list of files. You select all. For that you press Ctrl and A, and to delete it off, Shift and delete. Yes, continue. Fine. What is the difference between simple delete and shift delete? Shift delete, make sure you delete without sending those files into the recycle bin. Okay, now this is where you got to look in here. Whenever you get a warning like this which says file in use, you just skip it off. So basically these are files which are being used as of now by the computer, while the others were created earlier when you're using the PC or some other application. So that's it. Next, again search for run, type in temp and say OK. Now you get another set of files which has got to be deleted. Say Ctrl A, Shift delete. Yes, skip, skip, skip. You have another set of temporary files on your browser. Okay, and for that you open up your browser, go to the settings. This is Google Chrome. Okay, over here you have clear browsing data, an option like that under more tools. Open it up. Okay, see to that you select the option which says from the beginning of time. The first 4 could be checked, and then you click on clear browsing data. Okay, these are the temporary files that have been created while I was browsing the internet, which is no longer in use right now. So weekly once, when you clear all these temporary data being stored up in your system itself, saves a lot of space on the computer, making your system run much faster. Now that's done. Now let's just close it. Monthly, you got to clean your desktop. Cleaning your desktop in the sense, get rid of all those files or downloaded documents or whatever which were on the desktop and make it so clean as like how you see over here my desktop. I just have the shortcuts. See, shortcuts are those which you get to see with the small arrows. These are shortcuts. Other than that, see to that you copy and or cut paste it or move it to another location in your computer. Next, check the drive for file system errors. How do you do that? Now this is my C drive. I got two drives on my computer, C and D. What you do is you right click and click on properties. Over here go to tools. Here this is the option, error checking. It says scan your drive. Now this takes a little while, so this is basically what you're going to do. I'll cancel this off. Next is about defragging your drive. The option is over here, optimize. This process also takes in some time. That means you could open this application and leave it off till it gets finished, or else you could run an optimization tool like CCleaner. I've got CCleaner over here. This actually makes things easy. So if you look at the first option, this makes sure it deletes off all the temporary files that are on all my browsers. I got Microsoft Edge over here, Internet Explorer, and all. It's all checked by default. I just say run cleaner and I say okay, and I say yes. The next option you will find over here is regarding registry cleaning. Now what is the registry and why does it require cleanup? Registry is a place on the system where when you install a software, you have some data being provided to the system, and once you uninstall the software or do make some changes, those links get broken and you may have to mend it to its original state. So for that you have the registry cleaner. Okay, this is taking some time. I'll just cancel it for now. And say registry cleaner, just say scan for issues, and then it would check in the whole system and let's see, 14-15%, and it's checking the whole system, all my icons, my applications, any issue with my com files, my extensions. Yeah, now see, basically these are the issues detected on my system. Okay, and how do you do that? How do I fix them? Just simply click here, fix selected issues. I don't want to back up, say no, I'll say fix issue. I'll fix all selected issues. Now everything is done. That's it. You got other tools over here which helps you to uninstall unwanted softwares. See, many times there are situations when some applications get installed on your software without maybe you knowing. So you can quickly have a look at what are the applications installed on your system, and if you don't recognize any, you can simply select and uninstall. Fine. I'll close this window. So that's it. If you can follow all these steps daily, weekly and monthly, your system will be flying for sure. Thank you. Thanks for watching.